Look, Rory, what's that?
That sounds like an osprey call.
That smaller bird is attacking the bigger bird.
Wow, I think the other bird is a bald eagle.
I've never seen anything like this. This is amazing.
It looks like the eagle is flying upside down and using its talon claws to scare the osprey away. What you are watching is a rare sight to see. When bald eagles and ospreys are living in the same area, ospreys can be aggressive and dive bomb the eagles. The larger bird is a bald eagle, and at times you can see the white head and tail. You can hear the osprey calling when swooping down towards the flying eagle. Bald eagles are known to steal fish from osprey or even attack their nests and eggs or young ospreys. So keep your eyes to the sky with both ospreys and bald eagle sightings on Long Island. You never know when you may see one of the wonders of nature.